Photo restoration and colorization of a photo from 1921. First things first, we clean up all the dirt. Attention to details is paramount, so as not to erase any data from the photo. There are a lot of ways to do this in Photoshop or any other software. Frequency separation is a great way to go about this. This photo is 104 years old as of 2025. Fascinating, right? It's like a piece of time travel, and I'm the time traveler. With permission to take you on a ride with me. Thanks, Gus. For colorization, the built-in colorization filter in Photoshop is great. Sometimes. It's hardly ever perfect, but it's a good place to start. For this photo, I'll be using a dark shade of green for the suit and a shade of brown for the tie. This is customized based on client's request. I use different layers for colorization, with different blending modes. Sometimes, with creative liberties, you have to draw in missing details. But you have to be careful with this process. If you're unsure, either do your research or avoid this process totally. The number one priority of every photo restoration artist when restoring a photo is to preserve the authenticity and emotional integrity of the original image. In other words, respecting the likeness and expression of the people in the photo, and maintaining historical accuracy. If you must deviate from that or stylize, only do this after you have created an accurate restoration. Likeness and resemblance must be on point. AI tools are great for enhancements. Helps to give that polished look that cannot be replicated manually unless you choose to draw in the details, which would take a tremendous amount of time. But this is optional and should always be made to client's specification. I personally prefer to make different versions, some with 0, minimal, and others with high-quality enhancements. But make no mistakes, even with AI enhancements, you still need a lot of manual work to get a good and consistent result. And trust me, these tools ain't cheap. Remini is my favorite tool for facial enhancements. It costs $250, but in my opinion, and if you do this professionally, that's $250 well spent. Plus, you get a Photoshop plugin too. How cool is that? Topaz is also great, but for the price, I find it pretty underwhelming. But it's good in a pinch. GFP GAN and CodeFormer are also great. Just make sure you watch out for the eyes and skin texture. Dodging and burning is a great way to add and enhance details. But please use sparingly and with care. And so guys, after 3+ hours of meticulous restoration, with my spine feeling like I got kneed in the back, here are the final results. Immaculate! And a big shout out to Gus for the kind words and for letting me share this. Thanks for watching, and please like, and feel free to leave a comment. And you can reach me directly at bobbyrogerwork@gmail.com.